Hey there, it's Laura from Mail Media. Today I'll show you how to change your font size in Gmail. It's a simple way to customize your emails and make them stand out. Let's get started. First, open Gmail and click on Compose to start a new email. This is where we'll make the font sizes changes. So once you're in the Compose window, look for the formatting options at the bottom of the email body. You'll see a series of icons that allow you to make different formatting changes. So this is where the formatting options is. To change the font size, locate the T. So you see the small t and the capital T. That's the option that we're going to use. So you go ahead and select the drop down menu and you'll see different sizes. Here you get to pick from small to huge. So we're going to do a test. If I were to write hello and then I'll select it all, go back onto my T button and then make it large, and then you'll see the different in sizes. So this is large, alternatively you can make it huge, and so on and so forth. And that's how you change the font size in Gmail. It's a quick and easy way to personalize your emails and make them more visually appealing. Remember, you can always go back and adjust the font size whenever you want. Go ahead and play around with different sizes to find what works best for you and your recipients.